Hi everyone, my name is Mariana and I am going to start this presentation about shipping documents. But before we begin, did you know that international trade make more than 50% of the world's economy? Shipping documents are super important because they make sure goods can cross borders legally and safely.
What is an invoice? Invoice is an essential export document used in international trade. What are some names for invoice? When invoice is the standard term, it may also be referred to as export invoice, custom invoice, trade invoice, shipping invoice, international sales invoice. Invoice a legal necessity? Yes, invoice is a legal requirement for most international shipments, especially when goods cross borders and are subject to customs inspection. How to make an invoice? One step. Use a template or create a document. You can use Word, Excel, or Google Docs sheets. Two step. Include the requiring elements, seller's information, example, business name, address, phone, email, buyer information, example, full name or company name, address, invoice details, invoice numbers, invoice date, shipment details, export reference number, carrier name, the shipping method, date of export, payment terms, description of goods, product number, model, part number, material, country, quantity, unit price, total, subtotal, freight cost, other charge, course used in signature and date. 3 state, review and save. Make sure all date is accurate, save as PDF, send details or print.
What is a certificate of origin? A certificate of origin is an official document used in international trade that certifies the country in which a product was manufactured. It is issued by a competent authority, usually a chamber of commerce, and is required by customs authorities in the importing country. What are some names for certificate of origin? 1. CO 2. Origin certificate 3. COO, and the last one is Firm A. Is a certificate of origin a legal necessity?
Yes, in many countries it is required for customs clearance.
To determine applicable tariffs and to apply preferential trade agreements. Without it, goods may face higher duties or even be denied entry. How to make a certificate of origin? 1. Collect product and exporter details, for example, names, address, HS codes. 2. Prepare the commercial invoice and packing list. 3. Complete a CO form with product origin details. 4. Submit the form and documents to the local chamber of commerce. And 5. Receive the certificate document, either physical or digital.
What is a packing list? A packing list is a document that provides detailed information about the content of a shipment. This lists everything that has been packed, including quantities, division, weight, and packaging type. Function. The main function of the packing list is to describe the cargo clearing and operating for the all parties involved, the seller, the buyer, customs authority, and transport company. What is used for? It is used to run constant clearance to verify the content of the cargo. It helps logistic teams to handle, load, and unload goods properly. It serves as a reference for the buyer to confirm that every single order has been shipped. It is also helpful in case of claims for missing or damaged items. What is the purpose of it? The objective of the packing list is to ensure transparency and control over what is being shipped. It helps about misunderstanding or prevent international trade and support cargo handling at each stage of the journey. Part of a packing list. A complete packing list usually includes the following information. Number 1. Exporter and importer details. 2. Invoice number and date. 3. Shipment details, original, destination, another. 4. Container package number. 5. Description of goods. And 6. Quantity of items. 7. Weight, gross, and net. 8. Measurement, dimensions, boxes or pallets. 9. Packing type and box bag. And 10. Marks number of package. 11. Signature of the exporter or responsible person. Key characteristic is not present document. It doesn't show cost or values. It's often prepared in English, especially for international shipments. It must be clear, accurate, and match the commercial invoice. It can be digital, printed, depending on the country and logistic provider. It has improved traceability and custom efficiency.
As you can see, documents play a very important role in export. One of the most important, the bill of lading. What is a bill of lading? It is a transport document used in international trade. It serves as a contract of carriage between the shipper and the transport company, a receipt of the goods delivered to the carrier. In some cases, a title of ownership of the cargo. What are some names for the bill of lading? Some related or similar names are bill of lading, BL, ocean bill of lading, airway bill, inland bill of lading. The bill of lading a legal necessary? Yes, it is. The bill of lading is a legal document required for international shipment, especially in maritime transport. It serves as a proof of the shipment and is often needed by customs, banks, and insurance companies. Without it, the goods cannot be legally received at the destination. How to make a bill of lading? Detailed process. The bill of lading (BL) is prepared once the carrier assigns the goods for the export. It is usually used by shipping company, freight forwarder, or the carrier. Step 1. Data collection. The export provides the necessary information. Name and address of the shipper, name and address of the consignee, detailed description of the goods, quantity, gross weight, and volume, type of packing, boxes, pallets, drums, etc., port of origin and port of destination, shipping date and transport condition. Step 2. Document insurance. With this information, the freight forward or carrier creates the bill of lading in physical or digital format. There are two main types: negotiable BL, transferable to another person, and non-negotiable BL, only the consignee can receive the card. Step 3. Carrier's signature. The carrier, ship, airplane, or truck sign the bill of lading after receiving the goods in good condition. The signature is the proof of receipt. Step 4. BL delivery. The export keeps a copy. Another copy is sent to the import, sometimes through a bank, and one copy is kept by the carrier. Step 5. Use destination. The importer presents the bill of lading at destination to collect the goods. In some cases, it is also used to release payments, especially if a letter of credit is involved. Practical example: a company exports coffee from the Callao to Hamburg. The freight forward fills all the BL with all the shipping details. The shipping company signs it and sends it to the importer in Germany. When to the cargo arrives, the importer shows the BL and retrieves the coffee.
Now let's more on to the most essential documents in international trade, commercial invoice. This document is used for customs declaration and includes important information such as number 1, exporter and consignee names and address. Number 2, invoice number. Number 3, date of shipment. Number 4, currency used and total value. 5, the detailed product description with quantity, unit price, country of origin, and of course the signature and contact of the authorized person. It's basically like a bill that provides full detail of the transaction between exporter and importer. So we wanted to mention a document that wasn't covered in class, the shipping booking confirmation, or what we usually call the reserva naviera. It's used to confirm space availability on a vessel and is usually issued by the shipping company. It helps exporter coordinate the departure of goods. So in this project, we filed a sample commercial invoice, including all necessary information. We also mentioned several case documents that are essential to complete international transactions successfully. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helped you understand more about shipping documents.